All right. So I can do an intersect again. The plane that represents this wall here, that would be on this side here, is going to be this plane. The plane that represents this front face, that would be on these two lines, that front face of this block, would be this plane over here. So what I would do is go back to intersect using the intersect command. This line here or this plane here that represents this front face, and this plane over here represents this wall over there. When I select OK, it creates a vertical line that goes straight up and down. Now what I want to do is trim that line, and what I'm going to use is a little bit different technique. Under transform, instead of the trim command, we're going to switch this to the split command. So I'm going to use split instead, and I'm going to select this element that I want to be split. The cutting elements will be the top profile and the bottom profile. Select OK, and that's how you create that line. Go ahead and see if you can do it for the next three. If you didn't quite see it, I'll do it again. For this line over here, that's going to go up and down here. So that would be this plane here, that's the back wall. This plane over here, that's the front wall. Okay. Again, that was under wireframe. Under the intersect command, I'll select this one here and this one over here and select OK. Then we go to transform using the split command. Split this element between these two planes. Oh, cancel. See, what you want to do when you do your split command is pick the portion of it you want to keep. And let's try and split this top line and this bottom plane. So instead of picking the profiles, I actually picked on the water lines that represented the top and bottom. Select OK. You could do that either way. You should have enough information to create the last 4 lines. I will demo it another way, but go ahead and try this out, and then I'll show you another technique here a little bit faster. We'll go ahead and undo those, and I'll show you how to do these at once, all at once. Well, I'm going to try. All right, so we'll go to wireframe. I hope you guys took a second to try and do those without me. And now I'll show you another technique under intersect. I'm going to highlight all of these. Sorry. I'm going to highlight those and then highlight these. So those are the 2 elements and these are the 2 elements, and say OK, let's see what we get. See, I got all 4 lines at once. And then I could go to transform, split. What I'm doing is double clicking the split command. So I double click that split command to keep it on. Elements to keep, select the portion you want to keep. Select the top and bottom part. Okay. So that was this line and this line. Select OK. Or select this line, select this, and select this, and select OK. All right. I'm going to undo that. You should have enough information to split those. Again, if you didn't catch that, I'm going to go to split, and let me see if I can try something else here. I'm going to hit this down arrow. I don't know if I can do this. I'm going to try and grab this with my control button, grabbing the areas I want to keep. And now I'll try to do the split. And the cutting elements will be this one and this one. Select OK. And I got all 4 lines done at once. All right, so this exercise was to help you understand locating station lines, water lines, butter lines, intersect commands, trim, and split commands. All right, that concludes that exercise. Hopefully you were able to create this block like I did.